Okay, today's day 5. The big thing that we got done today, which is Tuesday, is removing all of the existing floor. So all that existing wood, all that fake tile that was in the kitchen, all of that stuff was torn up. The only flooring that we left is that laundry room tile, which was in good shape, and the one bathroom tile. All the other wood flooring, fake tile, all of that stuff was torn out. As you can see, all of that stuff was torn out. Here's the bathroom where the tile was allowed to remain. Here's another room where it had that wood flooring. All of that's gone. All of it's gone. So we are now ready for the new flooring. And since it was about 1,200 square feet of flooring that was torn up, it was a job to tear it up and then dispose of it.